This is a video on how to install your GK1 Shorty conversion kit. You want to make sure that there's no air in the gun, so let's start with that. This is a 4mm Allen wrench. Take the grip off. This is a 2.5. I'm gonna take this trigger transfer bar off. And then 4mm again on this trigger guard screw. Piece sometimes comes out, that's okay, just set it aside. And this is the thing you're going to loosen slowly here. And the air, I think, has already been let out, but what will happen is you'll slowly unscrew this, and then you'll hear a pop, and then air will hiss out of there, and you just watch your gauge until it's all the way empty. And if your O-ring gets a little deformed during that, you can find a new one in your repair kit. But if you do it, if you let it cool down, or warm up, excuse me, after it's been cooling down, it will go back to its shape, and then you can use it again. And when you go to tighten this back up, you can feel the bottom there of the hole, and then I just back it out maybe 3/4 from there. All right. Next thing we're going to do is take this shroud off. And that's a 7mm. Then this we're going to turn. So I guess if you're looking at the muzzle, it's going to go clockwise and then pull out. We're going to go to our 2.5mm again right here. And it's just these top 2 screws. Take those out. There's another screw in this hole here, and that's a 3mm. It's kind of like a collet here, so we just need to loosen it. Okay, looks like these didn't get loosened enough. Okay, so now it's time to install the new shorter barrel here. So we'll go. I just get these snug first. Then I tighten the collet screw. And then give these a little bit more. Now we got this part here. Go in like this, and then give it a twist this way, and then we can put on the shroud. Go with the trigger guard. This piece goes in this hole here. This kind of has a direction, so that little kink there that goes towards the back. 2.5 millimeter again. Good to go.